Make money online. It's easier than you think. Have you ever dreamed of earning money from the comfort of your own home? Imagine waking up, grabbing a cup of coffee, and starting your workday without even leaving your house. Guess what? It's totally possible. With the right approach and mindset, you can turn your home into a productive workspace and your computer into a money-making machine. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities to make money online, and the best part is you don't need to be a tech whiz to do it. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to supplement their income, there's something for everyone. In this digital age, there are countless ways to earn passive income. From affiliate marketing to online tutoring, the possibilities are endless. You can even turn your hobbies and passions into profitable ventures. One of the simplest and most effective methods is by creating and sharing videos online. Video content is king, and platforms like YouTube make it easier than ever to reach a global audience. Platforms like YouTube offer a fantastic way to reach a global audience and monetize your content. You can create tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or any type of content that interests you and your audience. But what if you're camera shy or don't have the best speaking voice? Don't let that stop you. There are plenty of ways to create engaging content without ever showing your face or using your own voice. No worries, you don't even need to show your face or use your own voice to make money with videos. You can use animations, screen recordings, or text-to-speech software to create compelling content. Let's dive into a foolproof strategy that anyone can use to start generating income online. With a bit of creativity and dedication, you can turn your online presence into a lucrative business. So, are you ready to take the plunge and start your journey to financial freedom? Ride the trend wave. Hot topics equal hot cash. The key to online success is creating content that people are actually interested in watching. And what better way to do that than by tapping into the latest trends? Trending topics are like gold mines for content creators. Think about it. When people are searching for information on a hot topic, they're actively looking for videos and articles to consume. By creating content around these trends, you're putting yourself directly in front of a highly engaged audience. The more relevant and timely your content is, the more likely it is to be seen, shared, and ultimately monetized. So, how do you find these trending topics? It's easier than you think. Google News, your goldmine for trending stories. One of the simplest ways to stay on top of trending news stories is by checking Google News. Google News aggregates the latest and most popular news articles from around the web, making it a one-stop shop for finding hot topics. To find trending stories, simply head over to Google News and look for the popular or most searched sections. These sections highlight the stories that are generating the most buzz online. Once you've found a few interesting articles, copy the URLs. These links will be your golden tickets to creating engaging video content that people actually want to watch. Viral YouTube videos piggyback on success. Another great way to find trending content is by checking out what's already going viral on YouTube. Viral videos are like popularity contests, and the ones at the top of the charts are clear winners in terms of audience engagement. Browse through YouTube's trending videos section and look for content that aligns with your interests or niche. Pay attention to the titles, thumbnails, and overall style of these videos to get a sense of what's resonating with viewers. Once you've found a few viral videos that inspire you, copy their links. These links, combined with the trending news articles you found earlier, will form the foundation of your video content strategy. Section 5. InVideo AI, your secret weapon for easy video creation. Now that you've got a treasure trove of trending content ideas, it's time to bring them to life in video form. But what if you're not a video editing expert? That's where InVideo AI comes in. InVideo AI is a revolutionary tool that uses artificial intelligence to create stunning videos from simple text prompts or links. That's right. You don't need any prior video editing experience to create professional-looking videos with InVideo AI. This powerful software takes the hassle out of video creation, allowing you to focus on what matters most, generating engaging content that attracts viewers and boosts your earnings. Section 6. From links to videos, how InVideo AI works its magic. Using InVideo AI is incredibly easy. Simply paste the links you copied earlier from Google News and YouTube into the InVideo AI platform. The software's intelligent algorithms will then analyze the content of these links and automatically generate a video based on the information provided. You can customize the video to your liking by adding your own voiceover, music, transitions, and more. InVideo AI offers a wide range of templates, stock footage, and other features to help you create visually appealing and engaging videos. The best part is, InVideo AI does all the heavy lifting for you, so you can create high-quality videos in a matter of minutes, even if you have zero video editing skills. Section 7. Cashing in. Turning views into dollars. Now that you're creating awesome videos based on trending topics, it's time to start monetizing your content and watching the money roll in. The journey from creating content to earning revenue can be incredibly rewarding, but it requires strategic planning and consistent effort. There are several ways to make money from your videos, and the best approach will depend on your niche, audience, and overall goals. Understanding your audience's preferences and behaviors is crucial in determining the most effective monetization strategies. One of the most common ways to monetize YouTube videos is through advertising revenue. This involves allowing ads to be displayed on your videos, and you earn a portion of the revenue generated from these ads. Once you've reached a certain number of subscribers and watch hours, you can apply for YouTube's partner program and start earning money from ads displayed on your videos. This program not only provides a steady stream of income, but also offers additional features and support to help you grow your channel. Another option is to partner with brands and businesses for sponsored content. This involves creating videos that feature or promote a brand's products or services in exchange for payment. As your channel grows in popularity, you'll likely receive offers from companies looking to reach your audience. These partnerships can be highly lucrative, especially if you have a dedicated and engaged following. Sponsored content can be a lucrative way to earn money, but it's important to only partner with brands that align with your values and that you genuinely believe in. Authenticity is key in maintaining the trust and loyalty of your audience. Additionally, diversifying your income streams by exploring other monetization methods such as merchandise sales, affiliate marketing, and fan funding can further enhance your earning potential. Section 8. Content is king. Keep them hooked and coming back for more. The key to maximizing your earnings is to create high-quality content that people actually want to watch. This involves investing in good equipment, learning the basics of video production, and continuously improving your skills. High-quality content not only attracts viewers, but also keeps them engaged, making them more likely to return for more. This means focusing on trending topics, creating engaging videos, and promoting your content effectively. Research what's currently popular in your niche and tailor your content to meet those interests. Engaging videos are those that capture attention quickly and hold it throughout the duration. Use social media platforms to promote your videos and reach a wider audience. Consistency is also crucial for success on YouTube. Regular uploads help build a loyal audience who know when to expect new content from you. This can be achieved by creating a content calendar and sticking to it. Consistency not only helps in retaining your current audience but also in attracting new viewers. Aim to upload new videos on a regular schedule, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily if you can manage it. Planning your content in advance and having a backlog of videos can help you maintain this schedule without feeling overwhelmed. The more consistent you are, the more reliable you appear to your audience. The more videos you create, the more opportunities you'll have to attract viewers, gain subscribers, and ultimately increase your earnings. Each video is a chance to reach new people and convert them into loyal subscribers. Celebrate your milestones and use them as motivation to keep pushing forward. Don't be afraid to experiment with different video formats, styles, and topics to see what resonates best with your audience. Trying new things can help you discover what works and what doesn't. Pay attention to the feedback you receive and use it to refine your content strategy. The more you learn about your viewers' preferences, the better equipped you'll be to create content that keeps them coming back for more. Use analytics tools to understand what types of videos perform best and why. Engage with your audience through comments and social media to get direct feedback. This continuous loop of creation, feedback, and improvement is key to long-term success on YouTube. Section 9. Your journey to online success starts today. Earning money online has never been easier thanks to the power of AI and platforms like YouTube. By leveraging trending topics, using tools like InVideo AI, and staying consistent with your content creation, You can start generating passive income from the comfort of your own home. Remember, the journey to online success takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and tools at your disposal, you can achieve your financial goals and live life on your own terms. So what are you waiting for? Start creating today.